It is a very interesting loft design that comprises of a sleeping area on top. The design of the whole house is actually very good and I love the whole house. I'm looking at modern luxury design with enough storage and display. My most favorite will definitely be the living room, because that is where my husband and I will actually sit down and relax, and then we will sit at the sofa, lie back and enjoy the display. And because of the warm lighting and the design of the whole house, it actually helps you relax your mind. It is a place whereby I can really unite with my kids and family. Choosing the right laminate is very important while we are looking at the colors, the designs that we want to fit our themes. Don't forget that we also need to choose a laminate that is safe to be used by our family, especially those with young children. The interior designer, Eldrick, is able to provide me with many ideas in how my house will look like, and he also plays around with the different laminate choices so that I can have a feel on the design, how my house will look like eventually. The second place that I like about the house is my daughter's room. It is a very interesting loft design that comprises of a sleeping area on top as well as study area at the bottom. Greenlam have this Safeguard Plus technology, as all the laminates are antivirus, antibacterial, antifungals. So it is very easy to maintain as well. I feel very safe for our children.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.